In this video, we will be tasting and talking about 2 consecutive seasonal harvests of Alishan High Mountain Oolong Tea from Taiwan. On your left, we have winter 2022 harvest, and on your right, we have spring 2023 harvest of Alishan High Mountain Oolong. Both of these teas are from the same region in Meishan Township, Jiayi County, Taiwan, on 2 different sides of the same valley. So we just thought it would be fun, as we like to do, to taste last season's batch compared with the new batch of spring 2023, Alishan High Mountain Oolong. From the look of the brewed tea, we can see a very obvious difference in the oxidation levels. The winter harvest was from the most in-demand source of competition-grade oolong, High Mountain Oolong tea, which is bought by competition players and then roasted to the standard of the Lugu Farmers Association Dongding Oolong Tea competition. So roasting requires a significant level of oxidation, and that's why this tea is significantly darker. Our spring batch was made in the fashion of a standard High Mountain Oolong, much more lightly oxidized, which gives it a much more fragrant and complex aromatic profile compared with a more substantial, mellowed, a little bit sweeter, fruity profile for oxidized tea. And the lightly oxidized tea will give a more floral profile. We are supportive of a little bit more oxidation, but we also want to strike a happy balance between a very oxidized tea and a very lightly oxidized tea. So we don't want to lose all the complexity by choosing one that is oxidized too much. I'm going to taste this spring batch first. Very nice, light, delicate, savory, herbal, more herbal than floral, I think. Really vibrant. Refreshing, kind of just enough, just a little bit of astringency to make all those flavors pop. A little bit of creaminess in there, nice mouthfeel. Yeah, a nice spring High Mountain Oolong tea in the classic Taiwanese fashion. Let's see what we have in comparison from last winter's batch. This is super mellow, super smooth, balanced. Yeah, the second brew has much more flavor to it, actually, especially in the finish. A richer, more balanced, and deeper flavor in the winter tea, as you would expect, just given the visual comparison here. We're happy to get a spring tea that is lightly oxidized. The dried leaves here, we can see a very even coloration, a nice even oxidation level, and a nice kind of dark green hue to them. We can see the difference in the winter batch. It's darker, and the brewed leaves as well. Not quite as bright green, but with more reddening around the edges and in the middle and on the stems. And that is the effect of oxidation. So there we have it. Last winter's batch was a more oxidized, richer, mellower brew. And this spring's batch is a much lighter, delicate, but full flavored and bright and vibrant, just like it should be for spring. Check it out.